since we dip on lockdown. Man just to get worse and worse.
It's hot.
My youth, man, tired of this, you know that.
Brother, it's not safe, you there?
Man want to read breeze and them thing there, you know, my youth. Man want to go outside, you know that. I want to, my youth.
Yeah, so far my show sign of paranoia.
Right, I wanna move paranoid, brother. Like we don't have no sense, my
Man,
youth.
just keep you safe,
I'm
brother.
breakfast this morning smell like it just a come from barber shop.
You can pass through food, though.
Brother man, it could have passed through Portmore and got me a pen. Stop disinfect my food, my youth. You know no sense.
Yeah man, a day 8 now, I'm dip on lockdown 8 days now. It's been a good day today. I'm looking at my girlfriend's eyes for the first time. As I say, her eyes them hazel.
You should have shame.
You know what I mean? That nobody.
Yo, I hear days now, you know, my more go outside, you know, my youth. You know, I'm go outside, my youth. But can't stay there no longer.
I actually learned something new today. On the TV, I watch something named Cable. You know what I mean? It's like, on like internet, it show movie and show and them thing there. You can change the channel them. But the only thing, you can't pause it or nothing, you can't restart it. But it's alright. I'm on a day 15. We're up on lockdown and things kinda get weird. You see me? Like all of a sudden one of my hand them just get strong. I don't know why. For the brother around this so I just feel him fully mad out now.
Yo!
Now he must say him Irish.
Yo! Where's my Lucky Charms?
I don't know if it's a coping mechanism or what, but I'm fully mad out now. Trust me.
Brother, how you feel look outside and the curtain them lock? You know no sense.
Concept.
Who in the class can use the word corona in a sentence? Listen! Sir! Sir, how are you, sir? Sir, pick me! Sir! You feel like you want cough, keep it to yourself. You feel like you want sneeze, keep it to yourself. You know want catch corona, keep it to yourself. No more dumb flick, no more boom fist. And what kind of cross is this? Me have to ball out to Father God. So I wear face mask, some I wear plastic bag. Hand sanitizer prevent to attack. Calm down, stop the panicking. I don't want nobody use my favorite dish. You use me cup or me fork, you are gonna get vanquished. One out of my Lysol germs get dismissed. Corona can't spread from parish to parish. Who don't play with corona, me get skip my turn. Here you can't flickle and me get concerned. Paranoid now, me throat back start to burn. Wash me hand them cause me no want get to no germs. You feel like you want cough, keep it to yourself. You feel like you want sneeze, keep it to yourself. Me no want catch corona, keep it to yourself. No more thumb flick, no more boom fist.
Bro, I can't wait till corona go away so we can stop quarantine.
Brother, what make you out of everybody want quarantine for done?
What you mean? What me do?
Exactly. You know do nothing. What you want quarantine for done for? You know work, you know do nothing. Cute dog.
The man come like back at ears. Ever stink but nah do nothing. Brother, me know why me stay home, yeah?
Watch out. No, sure.
All time, I want to see this.
Oh, me stop the road lame.
Me don't sound
And road overrated. I don't like to go out. See that, you know do nothing. The man just lock up in a house like a bat. First thing about it, the man ugly like a duppy.
Stop going, sir.
Is a duppy what?
Yo, what I do me yard? You remember say quarantine time? You remember about social distancing?
Take it easy, the genius. Take it easy. Remember, you know, you're quarantined from your left high school. You sit on your house now, do nothing.
You chat too much.
Mom, Sandra answer her phone, you know. Sandra.
Maxine.
Go on.
Girl, me there take time turn mommy.
Sandra, you're pregnant?
Watch ya. Girl, me I thought the mommy them will come from out of Egypt. The dopey mommy them.
Girl, stop it. You're evil. You're not for go answer.
Watch ya. Girl, my foot there grow a wig. The ear them pa my foot long like Rapunzel ear, girl. Me need a wax. You laugh like a joke, girl. Right now, if you see my armpit, you see ear them a show out through the sleeve under my arm. The ear them a hang out of my arm just like when Dr. Load bus and a hang out of the bus. My armpit them want wax, girl. You see disgusting. Girl, you want to know, say, my eyelash them a practice social distancing. Why you say that? Come on, see none of them right here, so I need an eyelash. No, so I'm seeing it terrible. Right now, my bath and body works done. I can't balik soap me a beard with my smell all. I go swallow some bleach, you're too dirty.
I know what this?
Yeah, who this?
Jay this.
Jay from where?
Michelle Adaman.
Yo, man, you tell you, ramp my bum buckler for
Bad man, calm down no man. And Michelle give me a number something for call.
Call me for what?
Cause my didn't want them could have come over.
Waste, why you think my it man love man, my youth?
3 weeks now man, lockdown and quarantine no da man. Miss Michelle in my youth.
My youth, yo, dog, the youth you come like a dissing one, me dissing in my youth. Who you ramp with, my
Dog, you
youth?
know see you're selfish.
A lobster, crab, and shrimp myself too.
Imagine, you're living a Michelle hole like a you alone a parent feet dog. And me really a deal with so.
Man, you can go and be your friend, my youth, boy, for you, me and him. Me know you from now, boy.
After man I take care of your youth them, how you feel them uncle? Eh? Why do you get locked up? And I me give Michelle the money to come bail like that.
Michelle, you know that, me never know you do them good things.
Well, I can build my blue the board and them something there Netflix and HBO, my youth.
You and me think about it,
My, I don't even know now, dog, because curfew's too drop and I be a police out of the road.
That's foul. And bring the load boy.
I, Your Majesty, I slash I Joe Rastafari. I'll go to Babylon, even though. Call Corona. Call it. Call Corona. Upper China, it name Rona. Call Corona. Call Corona. Call Corona. Upper Italy, it name Rona. Call Corona. Don't know. Me come here so fi camp on Babylon. Now take no lifestyle from Babylon. Because you infect the ghetto youth with no wicked flu, no Babylon. When I talk, I sneeze from Babylon. Nose and not down Babylon. Uno always a talk, but if you wash uno and fi trap the Rasta man, uno think uno can come sick Jamaica, but we not go there.
Hey, take that shit off of your mind. Anything with the your mind right now, take it off.
Jano, I mean, you do.
Brother, me give you an inch and you take a yard. You take a yard, brother. You're not on a conscience.
Just one more time.
One more time, you bumbo clot. Look a girl and leave me up, brother. I'm tired of you now, brother. That me I tell you from this quarantine thing start. Me and you turn big friend. Me and you turn big friend and me and you never friend. Oh, I mean, make him know. Make him know. You gonna love me out, brother. You today, you gonna back your fist with some water. That me I tell you, you gonna love me out.
Pussy.
That me I tell you.
Nobody come try no answer, yeah.
And you don't know say the COVID link up 2020. Big up Nigeria, real family in that place.
Man, that picture with the fur glamour on it, neck, pick up yourself. Smell the money. I don't know why to big up the one I got in that place except the dirty girl Shelly. Move girl, man, I like you. Dirty germs and I get an accent from me. So you don't waste that time on us again. We have to switch stuff for the girl then. Man, that picture, take your time with her.
No, there is nobody. Hold on, man. Quarantine time on somebody. Hold on, man. Who is this? Who is this? Excuse me, sir. Sir, what you doing out here? What you mean you're
man. I'm a bedista. I mean him son, man. I'm a bedista.
We're going to lock you up tonight.
No, man. I'm a bedista officer. I'm a bedista, man.
Listen, me I beg the man in my yard, please stay inside. Stay inside. What they outside for do? No barber na trim, no girl na sell no front, no passa na keep. What na do outside? Just stay inside now, please. I want man no live nowhere. I find me there, I tell you, so this virus thing here, it's real. People are dead. People are dropped like fly. I beg you, stay inside. Imagine me there, big foreign brother. I'm not on a toilet paper, brother. I have to bathe at least 5 times a day because I'm shit enough. Every minute I have to ask me shit my beer, dog. Like, please, just stay inside, dog. I just got Walmart a while ago. I see a woman take all the toilet paper them. Well, 17 case of toilet paper. I say, Mama, they get 1 toilet paper and the woman I look for me and talk about it. If it's some kind of pussy, but I get the toilet paper, dog. Man, I can't take them something there, but man, they are ball, man. I don't know how to stay inside, man. Just stay.
And I see we're winning right now. Winning, we winning right now. So go in